see. I didn't. We'll go out quick. You wait. No, 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 no. You go wait. You wait. You wait.
I'm coming out with you. Brittany's coming.
Nice pants. Are they the air conditioning kind? No, I hid Katie's really easy right in the grass.
Where?
Over there. Right over there in the grass.
Dang.
That's Katie's eggs. So just wait.
The ones in the with the pails. Oh, I see one in there.
Yeah, like there's some.
Okay.
No, now stop.
Are some on the porch?
There, and there's one there.
I see lots of them. Let go, buddy.
No.
Easter bee.
Oh, an Easter bee.
An Easter bee.
There's everything there.
Okay. I can't.
No, you wait for Britt.
Don't help me, Katie.
No.
Here comes Britt.
Just wait.
Here's Britt.
Now wait. You guys are hidden harder. Okay, go ahead. Now Katie's are hidden right in the grass, so go find eggs. Go with her, Daddy. Now remember, Katie's are hidden easy. Get it, Katie. Put in your bucket. Put them in your bucket.
Look for more. No, she's telling Brittany to put them in there. Put them in there, she said.
Katie.
What?
Put it in your
Right,
basket.
Katie.
Ooh, there's one in there.
How many do
It's
Brittany and Dakota
Caitlin.
have to find?
You can get it. Put it, Brittany, put them in the carton. You can put them in the carton there.
What?
Right here.
What?
This box. That's it. Rhonda. Grandma, somebody.
Whoever's name. Put them in the.
Mom, is there any on the porch?
I don't know.
Oh, I see three.
Those are Brittany's.
No,
Those aren't
these are
hidden.
mine. Oh.
Oh, watch. There's a hole.
Ooh, here's one. Oh, dang.
That's not all of them. There's none on the porch, Dakota.
Not on the porch.
Can you tell me
Hurry up, Katie's gonna find all of them.
Katie found another one.
Okay, it's yours, girl. That's not a golf ball.
Dakota, you were looking right at
Yeah,
one.
one of them was bit him in the nose.
Oh, Brittany found it.
She found it. You were standing right
Right
there.
on the
Dakota.
lawnmower.
Right at the lawnmower. You were standing there. She found it.
I found it.
Oh,
Katie, there's a hole. I don't think you found all of them.
how many was there altogether?
Like,
Okay, sweetie?
14.
Brittany has
Mommy,
5.
you can help me.
Dakota, Dakota. Oh, wait, let's count how many. You might have found them all.
I only got 3.
I think you might have found them all.
I got more.
What's the hole?
No, I think that's all of them.
Here, I'm going to hide them. Come here.
Mom, did you throw any in here?
No, babe, just in our yard.
These are Caitlin's. Yeah.
I think that's all of them.
Man, I only got 3. I'm gonna get
Dakota, they're just eggs.
No, don't take her egg. Put in your basket.
Where's the egg? Where's your egg, Bee? Over here, look.
Dakota, that's all of them, honey.
Come here, Caitlin.
Over here, look. Brittany has more in me, and I only have 3. Oh, you found the egg, Caitlin.
One back here. She found one back here.
Uh,
Back
Katie, come
here.
over here.
Mom, I only got 3.
That's okay, hon. They're just eggs, honey. You're probably not even going to eat them. It was just for fun.
They're fine enough. Yoo-hoo.
No, there's none over there.
They're all gone, Dakota, honey. Don't go digging around the dirt. That's all, Katie. They're all done now. Come on. Why? Because they're all gone now. Come on. Come Come on.
Come back on Dakota. No, you're not supposed to pass it. We're gonna hide them again for you.
Come on. Come on.
You're gonna hide them again.
Take your eggs to Mimi, Katie. No, 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 no. Oh, no. You're not going to eat it right now. Come on. Let's go.
Oh my God. Come on, Caitlin.
Mimi, do you want to hide them this time?
Make Brittany close her eyes. I'm hiding. Make Brittany close her eyes.
Okay, we'll go around to the front of the house. Come on, Brittany.
Go around
Here,
front till
here,
he's
Mimi.
ready.
Dakota, you stay back here. Come on, Brett. Brett.
I know where I'm off. Why are we going back here?
Because,
They're gonna hide it?
yeah. They're going to find them so you hide them so you can find them. You coming?
Come on, Caitlin. Look at eggs. Look at egg.
Dakota's going to hide them again.
Look at eggs. My shoes keep coming undone.
Tie them, dear. You know how to tie.
Look at eggs. No, wait.
Here, there's sidewalk chalk right there on the stroller. Why don't you get it? Or here on the stroller. There you go. Sit down with it. Brittany, where are you going?
I'm going in to get new shoes.
No, I didn't bring any other ones along.